with me. Come on, puss. Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I'm here with my sister.
The Whippy sister.
The Whippy sister.
A work in progress.
We're all works in progress. And she just surprised me by taking me to Michael's. We tried to go to an LYS earlier today, and unfortunately it was closed after the pandemic. The little businesses don't do very well with pandemics, so sadly we weren't able to go there. But so she's soothing my sad feelings by taking me to Michael's. So we'll go check out, see if they've got anything new, and talk to you later. So naturally the one I like the most only has one skein. So maybe at home they'll have more of this color because I love this color. Yeah, so these colors are really muted. I've never seen one so muted like that. They're usually really vibrant. This one too. It's kind of earthy. Yeah.
That's almost, I mean, that's not super bright like these. Ooh, I like that.
That's why I like them though, because the unforgettables are so bright, but these ones are not. Crazy bright.
Those are bright.
I don't know if this focuses as well. Okay, so you can tell my sister's been here because she arranged them
To what I like.
to what she likes. This is how she thinks it should look. Hi there. Excuse me. I'm back. I had forgotten to finish my video when I was at Michael's with my sister, and I never showed you what I got at Michael's. And that little kitty over there is named Dumble, short for Dumbledore. Harry Potter fans will know who that is. Dumbledore is a cat burglar. He steals things in my sister's neighborhood and brings them back to her. Things like flip-flops and gloves, like gardening gloves, that sort of thing. And he brings them back and he leaves them on her porch. And so if you look over here, try to make my finger go right there, there's a little basket, and my sister puts all of the stolen items in the basket, and then the neighbors come and pick up all of their things that Dumble has stolen. So, interesting little story about my sister's cat. He's very funny. So, I thought I'd show you really quick what I got at Michael's. I got a couple skeins of the hipster cotton because you just can't beat these colors. I just love them. They're so cute. And I thought I could make like washcloth and loofah sets. So, my sister has tried her loofah. She says it works really well. So, I think I'll make some more. They're really good for gifts, right? This color is called Sunset Aesthetic. So beautiful, definitely looks like sunset colors. I got one, and then I got this one. Love it, love it. Hipster cotton, and this one is rainbow. Love it. The last thing I got at Michael's is the Rainforest and the Unforgettables. Unforgettable. And yeah, Rainforest. It definitely looks like Rainforest colors. I love it. So I'm very excited about that. They only had one skein. It always seems to happen to me. The color that I like the best, there's only ever one skein left. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with that. I'll have to go back and watch the One Skein Wonders video and figure it out. So that is what I got. And I think that's all I've got for you. But I want to show you something kind of fun. One second. So these are some pretty flowers at my sister's house, and look at, same colors. And these too, right? Jungle colors. Okay, so that is going to do it for me. Sorry, I've got Dumble right here. Come on up, Dumble. Come on up, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. He's thinking about it. Maybe he'll come up and say hello. At any rate, I just want to say thanks for watching and have a great, great night. And I hope you're doing well. And don't forget to look for the beauty in every day, because it's out there. You just have to look for it. And man, I have seen a lot of it today. And I'm going to go ahead and leave some beautiful pictures of things that I've seen over the last 2 days here in Tallahassee, Florida. And yeah, so you can enjoy a little bit of my vacation with me. All right, bye-bye. Dumble. Say hello, Dumble. Cat burglar. He's a good kitty. Who's a good kitty, huh? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? What are you gonna steal tonight? Maybe you should stop stealing things. Now he's a star.